Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Dasher Direct Virtual Card. Dasher Direct is a mobile banking service designed for Dashers, allowing you to access your earnings instantly and manage your finances efficiently. The virtual card is a key feature of this service, providing a convenient and secure way to make purchases online or in-app. To get started, you need to have a Dasher Direct account and the virtual card set up. If you haven't already, download the Dasher Direct app and follow the prompts to create your account and activate your virtual card. Once your virtual card is set up, you can use it to make purchases wherever Visa is accepted. To do this, simply add your virtual card as a payment method in the app or website you are using. You will need to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code, which can be found in the Dasher Direct app. When making a purchase, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Dasher Direct account to cover the transaction. You can check your balance in the app at any time. It's also important to keep your virtual card information secure, so avoid sharing your card details with anyone and use strong passwords and two-factor authentication when accessing your account. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your virtual card to send and receive money. This feature allows you to transfer funds to friends and family, or receive payments from others. To send money, simply enter the recipient's email or phone number and the amount you want to send. The recipient will receive the funds instantly, and you will be notified when the transaction is complete. To keep track of your transactions and manage your account, the Dasher Direct app provides a range of tools and features. You can view your transaction history, check your balance, and set up notifications to alert you to any activity on your account. You can also use the app to freeze your virtual card if it is lost or stolen, and order a replacement card if needed. Best practices for using your Dasher Direct virtual card include regularly checking your account balance and transaction history, keeping your virtual card information secure, and being aware of any fees associated with using your card. By following these tips and using your virtual card responsibly, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of Dasher Direct and manage your finances with ease. In conclusion, the Dasher Direct virtual card is a powerful tool for managing your finances and making purchases, online or in-app. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using your virtual card responsibly, you can get the most out of this service and enjoy the benefits of instant access to your earnings.